Hello, dear followers of my channel. Welcome back. Today we have got the inside scoop on why Hande, Erçel and Kerem Bürsin tied the knot so quickly. But before we dive into the details, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it. Hande, Erçel and Kerem Bürsin, the beloved stars of Senegal Kepimi, stunned everyone with their whirlwind romance and sudden marriage. While they have kept much of their personal lives private, their relationship has been under the spotlight of social media and tabloids. Despite the speculation, both actors remained tight-lipped, leaving fans curious. Then, out of nowhere, news of their lightning first marriage shocked the entertainment world. After just a few months of dating, Hande and Kerem decided to tie the knot, leaving fans in awe and a disbelief. For more updates like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.